Coding within a glove box or tight space has never been easier thanks to the Kinematic platform from infinityPV. It enables you to precisely position your coder, whether roll-to-roll or sheet-based, and reach everything you need, ensuring your coder is always exactly where it should be. Setting up the system is simple. To place the Kinematic platform into the glove box, lift it using a pallet jack, guide it smoothly toward the glove box opening, and carefully slide it inside. Once inside, lower it gently while maintaining full control throughout the process. When the platform is in position, disconnect the straps and unscrew the eye bolts. With a pedal-controlled system, it is surprisingly easy to move the platform around. You can even do it with just one finger. When the system is engaged, the platform stays completely fixed, providing stable, repeatable alignment every time. With the platform in place, you are ready to position your coder on top, again using the pallet jack for full support. The coder's legs fit perfectly with the Kinematic platform, ensuring a secure and accurate connection. Once your glove box is fully set up and operational, repositioning and operating your coder becomes quick, precise, and easy. Learn more about our coding equipment and Kinematic platforms at infinityPV.com.